So now, as I was going through my Instagram page, I came across a question, and this particular person wanted to know about how she can get a transcription job for beginners. And I am here to answer the question. Another person asked me about this particular question, that do people still work in Scribie? Yes, people still work on Scribie, especially those without transcription experience. It's a good company to work for because you are going to gain experience while making money. So, to begin with, what is Scribie? Scribie is an audio-video transcription service where you can get high-quality transcripts of your interviews, meetings, podcasts, videos, webinars, and other recorded materials. Its headquarters is in San Francisco in California. Scribie deals with transcription services, proofreading, quality assurance, subtitling, accurate transcription, and fast transcription. So, are you seeking ways to become more independent and financially capable while attending school, all at home? Consider looking for jobs that offer flexible hours with decent earning, like being in a Scribie transcriptionist. So now, I'm going to tell you how much money you're gonna make on Scribie and everything you need to know before signing up. Please hit the like button below to help this video get to as many people as possible, and I will appreciate. Scribie pays subscribers $5 to $25 per audio hour. So if you transcribe an audio which is 1 hour long, you will earn $5 to $25, which means you will earn $0.5 to $2.5 for a 6-minute file. The amount of money you earn in a month will depend on how many jobs you do. If you commit to transcribing 10 files per week, you will be making $50 to $250 per week. You will have worked for 40 files that month, and you will earn $200 to $1,000 in a month. It's good you set financial goals and work towards achieving those goals. You personally know how much responsibilities you have on your shoulder. So set goals and say, I will be doing like 20 files per week. So doing 20 files per week or 13 files per week will depend on how much money you want to make. Remember, you are in control of your needs. So now, when we come to Scribie pay rate, some people say that their pay rate is low, which is quite understandable. They say in their website that their pay rate is comparable. Unfortunately, you cannot fight them on that. They usually pay $5 bonus for every 3 hours completed. To get the bonus, it means you work 1 6-minute file daily. They usually pay the bonus on first day of each month for all approved files you have submitted in previous months. So how do you withdraw money from Scribie? So once your work is approved, your earning is credited to your Scribie account. You can withdraw your earning anytime by submitting withdrawal request. And the advantage of working with Scribie is that there is no minimum payout, which means you can withdraw whatever amount you have in your account. The payments are usually made via PayPal account. So when choosing to work with Scribie, you must have a PayPal account. They say that to apply for Scribie transcription job, one of the requirements is to have a verified PayPal account or to be in a country where PayPal works. When you submit a withdrawal request, the money is sent directly to your account in 1 business day. There will be no waiting around. One of the requirements to apply for Scribie transcription job is to have a verified PayPal account, and to verify your account, you are only required to link up PayPal account to your bank account or your credit card. So, are you adding value to yourself through this video so far? Please give this video a thumbs up and I will really appreciate it. If this is not verified, if the PayPal account still says not verified, it means you have not completed your application process. When the application is complete, you will receive a PayPal confirmation code in your bank statement. If you happen to get challenges on getting the code, please visit your bank. If you are listening to this video and don't know what transcription is, it is simply conversion of recorded content like interviews and podcast episodes to text. It will involve mostly typing work because it entails grammar and listening skills, so you are going to go. Some people say it's an easy job, but transcription is not an easy task as people may think or say. It is actually extremely difficult for some people because it's a skill you develop with much practicing. So you need to be patient enough, otherwise you will give up as soon as you start. Do they have transcription test? Yes. Scribie has transcription test, and they are open to beginners and experts at learn. And for you to qualify, you need to pass the transcription test. People don't like the test, including me, but remember, it's the only option for you to be accepted in the platform. Now, the good news is that a lot of beginners are passing the test, so it's not difficult, unlike Transcribio, TranscribeMe, and other transcription companies. Scribie's tests are timed, so you have to submit the text at the stipulated time bracket. Otherwise, you won't qualify. So if you are serious on making money online doing transcription jobs and other online jobs, hit the subscribe button, because once I come across opportunities, I'll be here to inform you as soon as they happen. You don't pay anything to join Scribie, it's free. And their files are like 6 minutes length. Remember, I don't work for Scribie and do not know how the company operates internally, and I am not being paid by them to advertise their company. So any information shared in this video is to help you make money online. If interested to apply and contented with information given through this video, please do so, and also do your own research. The company has its own hiring deadlines and timelines, and they can stop hiring at their own consent. Getting online jobs is not as easy as a walk on the park. It needs sacrifice, time, and commitment to succeed. We succeed through failures. So, if you fail, don't give up. If you want to know about other companies you can work for and make money online, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram page.